Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jasmine Marie. If you don't already know that, welcome to my channel if you are new. So in today's video, I am back with a braces update. It's been quite a while since I posted a braces update, I think. I just recently went to the orthodontist, but before I get into that, I just wanted to quickly update you guys. I haven't uploaded a video in about 2 weeks, and I really hate that I haven't been able to upload, but we are currently still without internet because we are in a new construction subdivision. If you guys don't know, I recently we recently purchased a home and moved, so we're dealing with no internet right now. So eventually you will start to see some of the vlogs from the beginning of this month, just to kind of catch you guys up on what's been going on with us in the house and stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly mention that before I got into this update video. So if you are here to see this braces update, just keep on watching. Also, I do want to mention that filming is still kind of awkward for me right now. Like, I'm sitting in my living room right now, if you can't tell. And I do have a new spot where I'm going to start filming eventually and stuff like that as well. But for now, I'm just kind of in front of my living room window, whatever. So let's just jump into this braces update. I've been wearing my braces now for 8 months. I got them in November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. So it's been 8 months, and I'm super happy with the way that my teeth are looking so far. So basically, I went to the orthodontist the other day, and all they did was remove 2 brackets. I think these two here. I'm pretty sure. No, I think it was these 2 teeth. They removed the brackets off of them, and they, you guys, that part is kind of irritating because they take the brackets off and then they have to use like something to kind of get the glue off, and they are like, what is it? I can't even think of the word I'm looking for. Shaving or grating on your teeth. It's just like the most uncomfortable feeling because my teeth are super sensitive. So I already know at the end of this, I'm going to be super annoyed because it doesn't feel good. So yeah, they did that, and then they put a smaller wire. I think I had a 1425 or 1422 wire on the bottom, which is a thicker wire. Since they changed the position of the brackets, they put a smaller wire in so that I wasn't going to be super sore that, you know, the next couple days after. And also she said if they went ahead and put another bigger wire on there, then the brackets would have just popped off and I would have just freaked out. So they didn't do anything to the top. They left the same wire and brackets on the top, and then they'll do something different next time. And my kids are here walking around in the background, so just don't mind that. I'll try to find a picture of the way that they were looking before my last appointment, and I didn't vlog it because I really didn't think they were going to do anything. So like I said, all they did was take the 2 brackets off. But before they did that, this tooth right here was higher than all the other teeth. It kind of stuck up. So now, like, literally the next day, the same day, there was a gap here, which you can kind of see. It's really tiny, and now they all pretty much line up. So I'll give you guys a close-up really quick because I know that's what a lot of you guys want to see. So now I don't know what's going to be happening next, because to me they look pretty straight, but I think it's going to be time for me to start wearing rubber bands, which I'm kind of nervous about because I just hear that they are super annoying and you can't talk and stuff like that, especially when I have to start wearing them when I am at work, because I talk. My job is a secretary, so I talk a lot, and I'm not going to be able to talk that much with them on. So that's probably what's going to be coming next, I would assume, because they pretty much are all lined up now, and that's super exciting. I went back and looked at some of my old videos, like when I first got my braces, and I'll have those linked down in the description box so you guys can check them out. When I was going back looking at the way that my teeth looked then, I was just like, wow, because they were super crooked, and you almost don't realize how crooked they are until you get your braces on and see the way that your mouth looks with the brackets, because the brackets will be like all in different places because your teeth are crooked. So that's basically everything. I do remember my 7th month. I was having a lot of pain on my back wisdom tooth on this side here. They did take this left wisdom tooth out before I got my braces on because they knew that they just figured it would be in the way. So I went and got an adjustment for my 7th month, which I think you guys saw that in a vlog. And after that, I could not chew on this side for about a week. And I was thinking that my wisdom tooth was the reason, but I think it just all summed up to me getting my adjustment, and the wire was bigger and all that. But I literally could not eat or anything on that side, and it still kind of bothers me now even. And I went to the orthodontist the other day and it's still kind of sore, so I don't know if I kind of feel like I should have just got that wisdom tooth out as well. But other than that, I haven't had any issues. Cleaning my teeth, I'm not gonna lie, has been a headache. Some nights I just go to sleep without flossing. I know that's so nasty and so bad, but some days I'm just like over it, and it's really hard for me to, like, in the beginning I was like brushing my teeth after I ate. Every time I ate, I was flossing, I was doing all that, but it's been 8 months and I'm just kind of over it. So I'm really ready for them to come off. But, and also, I don't know if I mentioned before, I do go and get cleanings twice. I think you're supposed to go twice a year, every 6 months, but I go 4 times a year since I've had these, because I just want to make sure that my teeth are staying really, really clean. And my appointment is actually coming up for my teeth to be cleaned in August. So, but basically that's pretty much it. Nothing else has been happening with my teeth, so they're just continuously getting straighter, which is nice, and I'm happy about that. So yeah, leave me some questions in the comments down below what you guys want to know. I know a lot of you guys are saying, or a lot of you guys ask me about the pain and all of that stuff, and is it too late to get adult braces and stuff like that. But really, there's never a time where it's too late. You can get braces at any time that you feel ready. But I will say, I was told that the later you get them in life, the longer it'll take, because your teeth have already grown, if that makes sense. So when you're a kid, your bones haven't really fully developed. So when you're older, it might take a little bit more time for your teeth to move and stuff like that. But to me, mine have been moving pretty quick, so that's a plus. But yeah, like I said, leave me some comments down below of any videos you guys want to see, anything related to braces or whatever, and I will do that for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and thumbs up this video for me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.